Let's in the meantime talk about the CBI investigation that seems to be taking place in the NEET paper leak. Now what is being said that the construction work being carried out by the NEET paper leak accused PV Kulkarni has come under scanner after municipal authorities found alleged violations of building regulations. Now PV Kulkarni, who's had demolished apparently his ancestral house in Beed and began a new construction project at the same site. However, following the emergence of his name in the NEET scam examination, leak, the construction activity also drew a lot of public and administrative attention. And during an inspection, municipal officials reportedly found that the construction was being undertaken in violation of the prescribed norms, and the civic body subsequently issued a warning of strict action against unauthorized work. And amid the controversy, a bulldozer was also brought to the construction site, with the authorities indicating that action would be taken in accordance with the municipal regulations. So let's connect with Rucha on this. So Rucha, already as far as in the CBI net, now as far as the land where construction work was being conducted, that too has now come under scanner.
Well, that is right. PV Kulkarni is one of the main accused in the NEET paper leak case. He is currently in the custody of the police. And while the investigation was underway about his properties, about the lands or the properties he owns, Beed Municipal Corporation found out that one of the sites where he used to live before is now under construction, and there are some violations about the construction norms. The Town Planning Act is being violated, and that is what the Beed Municipal Corporation found and had sent several notices before this, even before the controversy began. But the PV Kulkarni continued the construction work, and as a result now the building which was under construction has now been bulldozed by the authorities, and this came into attention after the RCC Motegaonkar class, the famous tuition classes, came at the center of this NEET controversy, where PV Kulkarni had also played a major role in the leak, paper leak of NEET examination, where he had also passed on several papers which had the exact question bank that had come on the NEET paper day, and that is why he is now under the custody of police. He is being interrogated, and meanwhile we are also seeing bulldozer action against one of the his properties which was under construction and for the violations.
All right, so that seems to be as this development is now concerned. The construction work that was being carried out, what is being said on part of the civic authorities, that they found alleged violations of the building regulations, and PV Kulkarni, who seems to have demolished his ancestral house in Beed and began a new construction project at the site. Now, however, his emergence in the name and the NEET examination paper leak, investigation, the construction activity that drew a lot of public and administrative attention. And it is being said that the inspection that was carried out, the municipal officials reportedly found that the construction was being undertaken in violation of the prescribed norms. Thank you very much, Rucha, for joining in live with that update.